be safer if we stay here.
But what if the ghost comes in here while Alva and Mo are out there?
Okay, maybe not. The spectre was last seen going in this direction.
What's a spectre?
I think it's a fancy word for ghost. There's nothing to be scared of. What?
Whoa! The ghost is here to get us!
I'm sorry, Blubble. I thought you were a ghost. See? There's nothing to be scared of. Let's catch up with Alva. It's the ghost!
It's only me.
Oh, my.
Shh. I think I found the real ghost. Over here.
Uh-oh.
Shh!
Oh.
I can't look. Is it scary?
Well, the ghost looks really sad.
And translucent. Sounds horrible.
I think Mo was saying you can sort of see right through it. And it looks a bit like... Glump.
Is he crying?
Aww. What's wrong?
You can see me?
Yes, although you are currently at 60% opacity.
Wow.
I knew it. No such thing as ghosts.
I wouldn't mind if I was a ghost.
Why would you say that?
Skater and Humblebluff are ignoring me.
Why would trolls ignore another troll?
Something sounds fishy. Let's help Glump.
Help a troll?
Oh, my.
You can see how upset he is. It's not nice to feel ignored.
But where are Skatha and Humblebluff?
Boo!
Aha! That sounds like troll scaring Oolies to me. Let's go. You two, Glump. Stop scaring the Oolies.
Oh, why, yes, of course, we won't.
Skater, Humblebluff, it's me! Can I join in?
Did you hear something, Skater?
Nope, didn't hear a thing. Come on, Humblebluff, let's find more Oolies to boo-boo-booly.
Well, they're definitely ignoring you.
What happened before they started doing this?
We were just getting ready to start scaring Oolies when it happened.
Well, whatever the reason, nobody should treat others in a way that hurts them. Don't worry, Glump. We'll figure it out.
Oh, yes, be more careful. Oh, what a relief. Bye, Clickies. Glad I could help. Ah, there you all are.
Hi, Mayor Garth.
Hello, Alva. No, Palm, Beam. What's that? Is that a ghost?
It's Glump. He's sad and see-through because the trolls are ignoring him.
Fascinating. I've heard about this Gizmo strange phenomenon where if someone's ignored, they almost disappear. Invisible, that's what it's called. But no one's ever mean enough in Gizmo to make someone invisible.
And no one should ever be made to feel invisible. But it's giving me an idea that might help Glump.
Trollerific.
I'm bored. How comes there's no Oolies to scare? Huh?
Sounds like the Oolies are having fun. Let's ruin it. What?
Nah. Glump, what are you doing?
Glump is an honorary Oolie for a day. We're cheering him up because you made him feel invisible. So he gets loads of trolley pops and treats.
Make us honorary Oolies.
Ugh, that sounds disgusting. Just give us trolley pops and treats. You're welcome to join the party, but there's only one honorary Oolie at a time.
We want trolley pops and treats. Glove.
Another trolley pop. Don't mind if I do.